Hello, guys. Hope all of you are doing great, right? And as you all know, guys, we are doing Umang, right? Umang 2.0, ठीक है? तो guys, इसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We are completing your entire NCERT class 9th का syllabus on YouTube, right, guys? हमने first chapter से start करा था, ठीक है? तो now, guys, we were discussing about the cell, the unit of life. ठीक है, उसमें हम लोगों ने दो सेशंस ऑलरेडी कर लिए हैं जिसमें हमने सेल थ्योरी के बारे में बात करी है, देन वी स्पोक अबाउट मॉडर्न सेल थ्योरी, राइट? एंड इन द लास्ट क्लास वी टॉक स्पोक अबाउट सर्टेन सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, लाइक मेनली हमने प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बारे में बात करी थी, है ना? एंड आई टॉट you know how plasma membrane is semi permeable, है ना? And how does it react when we put it in hypertonic solution, hypotonic solution or isotonic solution, right, guys? तो on that line आज हम आगे चलेंगे, ठीक है? We will cover more cell organelles today, है ना? And we will try to have more and more fun with biology today, right, guys? Moving forward, before that, push yourself, guys, because no one else is going to do for it, right, guys? Sometimes what happens when you feel very low, okay, you don't feel like studying, but at that time also you should push yourself, because guys, trust me, your parent might be pushing you, but yeah, after a while, पेरेंट्स के अलावा कोई पुश नहीं करेगा, बट या उनका पुश भी इट्स वेरी सुपरफिशियल, मतलब एक्चुअली इट इज ओनली यू, उनके कहने से आप नहीं करोगे, राइट? इट देयर इज अ टेंडेंसी जनरली कि अगर कोई कहता है तो यू फील लाइक नॉट डूइंग इट एट ऑल, यू वुड बी स्टडीइंग, और अगर पापा आके कह दे कि बेटा पढ़ लो, so you would close the book and start watching anything, right? That's a common human tendency. So the real motivation, guys, lies within ourselves. Okay? So don't, you have to push yourself, guys. And one more thing, with Anto Pay, guys, you can get the micro courses. Okay, the micro courses for rupees 1, just rupees 1. It is not to take money from you. ये इसलिए है ताकि you just get access to our topic wise courses. 2000 plus topic wise courses आते हैं. आप just आओ हमारे पास और आप देखो, content देखो, okay, and learn from it in the corona time. Moving forward, guys, last time हमने एक आपको homework दिया था, if you remember, ठीक है? I had asked you, list, give examples of real life examples of osmosis. ठीक है? I could see the comments में हमने बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे answers दिए थे, right? तो good answer, guys. Answer is raisins, जैसे कि किशमिश होती है हमारी, है ना? किशमिश को अगर आप डाल दोगे तो that is a type of osmosis, right, guys? तो आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे real life examples दिए थे. Very good, guys. Well done. Now moving forward, आज क्या करने वाले हैं सर? बेटा आज हम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, हम गोल्गी apparatus के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, वी विल स्टडी अबाउट लाइसोसोम्स, वी विल आल्सो स्टडी अबाउट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, ठीक है? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, फिर प्लास्केटिड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, प्लास्टिड्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, देन वैक्यूल और वैक्यूल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, एंड वी विल आल्सो स्टडी अबाउट प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल एंड देयर डिफरेंस, व्हिच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर, राइट? वेरी गुड. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, गाइस, सो देयर आर वेरियस सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, ठीक है? यहाँ पे हमने साइटोप्लाज्म के बारे में बात कर ली है, न्यूक्लियस के बारे में बात कर ली है, आज हम इन सब के बारे में बात करेंगे, बाकी सेल ऑर्गेनल्स के बारे में. तो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, सबसे पहले हम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के बारे में बात करते हैं. सर क्या होता है ये? बेटा ये ऐसी चीज होती है, ये मेम्ब्रेन होता है, इट्स अ कलेक्शन ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन्स एंड ट्यूब्यूल्स. व्हाट इज इट? कलेक्शन ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन्स एंड ट्यूब्यूल्स व्हिच इज फाउंड वेरी क्लोज टू न्यूक्लियस. देखो न्यूक्लियस के पास ये जो एंटेनास है ना, दिस इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. Okay, sir, very good. So let us study about it in detail. So moving forward, guys, so when we talk about endoplasmic reticulum, right? Endoplasmic reticulum can be of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, other one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You're like, sir, acha. So what do you mean by this? Yes, guys. So you will be like, sir, what is the difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum? But I'll tell you. See, what happens is, say this is my nucleus, है ना? This is the nucleus, है ना? This is genetic material, the nucleus. This is endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Guys, endoplasmic reticulum is network of membranes and tubes. What is it? It is network of membranes and tubes. Right? Now, what happens over there is, guys, what happens over there is this membrane can contain dot like structure over that called as ribosomes. It can contain ribosomes. Okay, very good, sir. It can contain ribosomes. So when endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on it, it looks very rough, right? It looks kind of rough. See, can you see dots are here, dots. Can you see guys here? They have blue dots. They're all ribosomes. So when it has ribosomes on it, it looks kind of rough. So we call it as a rough endoplasmic reticulum, right? When it does not have a, what should I say? When it does not have ribosomes on it, it looks very simple and smooth, right? So at that time, I call it a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Are you getting my point, guys? What's the difference between rough and endoplasmic smooth? Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes. R for rough, R for ribosomes. Okay. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes. Now let's say what is ribosome? But a ribosome, as you would be studying, they're called as protein factories. Protein factories. So what do? They make proteins. So what would rough endoplasmic reticulum be doing, guys? Obviously making proteins. Very good. Now moving to smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, sir? It is producing lipid. Right, lipid मतलब fat बनाता है. Rough endoplasmic reticulum makes protein. Okay, very good, sir. Is that it? Is there any other function? But one more thing is there. Like actually many things are there. So talking about endoplasmic reticulum, now it is like a network which is present inside the cell. ये nucleus है मेरा, ठीक है? It is like a network which is present inside the cell. So it is like a connecting thing. It connects various parts of the nucleus, or sorry, various parts of the cells. मतलब it acts as a transportation channel also. मतलब कुछ चीज को भेजना होगा, so it will travel through endoplasmic reticulum, है ना? और it provides site for various chemical reactions. मतलब आपको कोई chemical reaction करना है तो किसी टेबल पे करोगे ना, है ना, कि हवा में करोगे, तो it provides the site कि यहाँ पे भैया बैठ जाओ सारे आके और यहाँ पे reactions कर लो, ठीक है? तो it provides site for various reaction. It's a network which connects the whole part of the cell, whole cell, and apart from that, it helps in protein synthesis, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in lipid synthesis. Very good. What is it made up of, beta? It is basically membranes and tubes. मतलब जो सेल में, it is also a membrane system attached to the nucleus. क्या है? एक system of membrane और tubes है attached to the nucleus. Right, guys? Very good. I hope you have understood. Moving forward, let us study about, guys, the other organelle, that is Golgi complex. ठीक है, इसको कहते हैं हम पैकेजिंग हाउस ऑफ द सेल. You'll be like, sir, अच्छा सर क्या करता है? पैक करता है. Yes, exactly, ये पैक करता है. Now if you can see, this was my cell, this is my cell, है ना? This is endoplasmic reticulum. So the Golgi body is found over here. ये जो smiley face है, ये Golgi body यहाँ पे होता है. Now what happens, guys? It is like a machine. Golgi body is like a machine. Say the proteins and fat which are produced by the endoplasmic reticulum enter into the Golgi और यहाँ से एक fresh product बनता है. It is like a biryani making machine. You put raw materials of biryani rice, है ना, various masalas, etc. over this side, and you will get a processed biryani over that side. Getting my point? या फिर you put real biryani over here, it will pack the biryani. So what does it do, guys? It modifies the raw material which is produced by the endoplasmic reticulum to produce something. For example, it can produce any protein, it can produce any enzyme or hormone. Are you getting my point? What does the Golgi body do, guys? It is packaging house, it is storage house, modification or packaging. It can either pack, it can store, it can say बहुत सारा protein आ गया, it will collect all the protein and make a store protein vesicle. अब vesicle क्या होता है? Vesicle बेटा, it's like a poly bag, it's like a cover, it's like a membrane covering anything. Like आप कुछ कैरी करना चाहते हो तो यू कैरी अ पॉली बैग, राइट? नॉट पॉली बैग दीस डेज, अब हम क्लॉथ बैग कैरी करते हैं. तो इट इज लाइक अ बैग जिसमें कि आप कुछ भी कैरी कर सकते हो बेसिकली, ठीक है? अब गाइस इसमें क्या होता है? तो इट कैन ईदर पैक इट, और इसको स्टोर करने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो, या फिर उसको मॉडिफाई करा के उसको कुछ और बना लो. आर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड? लेट अस सी ओवर हियर. Right, are you able to understand, guys? देखो, things will enter from here, they will go through here, or some new material will be formed over here. Cis phase, we call the cis phase. Cis phase से चीजें enter करती है और यहाँ आते आते या तो वो store हो जाती है, they get into a vacuole, or they get stored, or they get modified into some other different form, or yes guys, they get packed, right? Very good. Moving forward, are you able to understand, guys, what is the function of Golgi body? It's a storage house, modification or a packaging house of the cell. यहाँ पे आप raw material डालो और यहाँ से बिरयानी पालो, ठीक है? तो इसमें सबसे important exam होता है लाइसोसोम, ठीक है? लाइसोसोम क्या होता है? These are the cell organelles. Lysosomes क्या होते हैं? These are the cell organelles which which help in प्रोटेक्टिंग द सेल फ्रॉम द फॉरेन सब्सटेंसेस। और या फिर अगर मान लो कोई सेल ऑर्गेनल खराब हो गया तो ये उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करते हैं। तो वी से लाइसोसोम्स आर फिल्ड विद सम एंजाइम्स कॉल्ड एज हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम से भरा हुआ होता है। तो ये हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम अगर मैं यहाँ पे डालूंगा तो यहाँ से मुझे क्या मिलेगा, लाइसोसोम मिलता है। I don't understand. Who makes lysosome? Golgi body makes lysosome. How does it make it? We put hydrolytic enzyme on the cis phase and we get trans phase से we get lysosome. और you understand वो hydrolytic enzyme के enzyme को पैक कर देता है enough vesicle. Guys, I hope I'm communicating it. समझ आ रहा है? Lysosome के बारे में अभी हम और पढ़ेंगे. अभी just understand what is the function of Golgi body. It either stores the raw material, फिर modifies the raw material, है ना, और packs the raw material. ठीक है? Very good. लो लाइसोसोम आ गया। तो as I was telling you guys, lysosomes are what? These are membrane bound organelles which contain hydrolytic enzyme। मतलब ये मेरा सेल है मान लो, ठीक है, अब ये मेरा सेल है, इसमें छोटे छोटे बॉल से ही घूमते रहते हैं, लाइसोसोम घूमते रहते हैं। What are they filled with? They are filled with hydrolytic enzymes. Who makes them? I have told you Golgi body makes them. What do they do? For example, एक गंदा सा बैक्टीरिया आ गया, ठीक है, this is my गंदा बैक्टीरिया, है ना, it says कि cell I am gonna kill you। तो guys this ganda bacteria enters here, so someone has to protect the cell also na. Who protects this? Lysozyme will come and lysozyme will say no, you cannot kill us. What will the lysozyme do? It will release the hydrolytic enzyme. It will release hydrolytic enzyme on this ganda bacteria and this ganda bacteria will die. And you would understand, so what does the lysosome do? It protects the cell from the foreign material, or in case of bacteria it can help to digest the foreign material also, है ना। और इन सम केसेस क्या होता है, कई बार जो सेल ऑर्गेनल्स होते हैं दे हैव बिकम नॉन फंक्शनल, वो टूट गए, खराब हो गए, तो व्हाट इज लाइसोसोम डू? लाइसोसोम गोज एंड डाइजेस्ट देम ताकि इनका जो रॉ मटेरियल है वो बाकी फंक्शंस में यूज हो जाए। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? वन मोर थिंग, अगर मान लो ये सेल बहुत ही बूढ़ा हो गया, द सेल बिकम्स ओल्ड एंड इट इज नॉट एबल टू वर्क प्रॉपरली, एट दैट टाइम द लाइसोसोम बर्स्ट इनसाइड द सेल, उस सेल के अंदर फूट जाते हैं एंड दे डिसॉल्व और किल द सेल ओनली। That is why they are called as suicide bags of the cell. That is why they are called as, guys, suicide bags of the cell. I don't understand, guys, है ना। तो what are the suicide bags? Lysosomes are the suicide bags. What do they contain? They contain hydrolytic enzymes. What are the hydrolytic enzymes? They help in digesting anything. They can digest cell organelles. They can digest the entire cell also, है ना, जब उनका मन करेगा, right? Amazing. Moving forward, as I was telling you, देखो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है, कोई फूड आया, मान लो कोई फूड ही आ गया, as in case of amoeba, so food has come inside the cell, it gets surrounded by a vacuole, ठीक है। फिर ये देखो गोल्गी बॉडी है, गोल्गी बॉडी के अंदर एंजाइम गया और वहां से एक लाइसोसोम आ गया, राइट। जैसे कि मैंने बताया था एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या बनाता है, लिपिड्स एंड प्रोटीन्स, तो उनमें से दोनों में से कुछ यहाँ पे चला गया, यहाँ से आया, और you understand the enzyme was made here endoplasmic reticulum में, which was transported to Golgi, और Golgi ने क्या बनाते हैं, lysosome. This lysosome binds to the food vacuole which is given और उसको digest कर देता है ना, तो उसने digest कर दिया lysosome ने। You understand lysosome ने क्या करा? It is helpful in breaking substances, right? और कौन बनाता है? Golgi। Golgi को raw material कहाँ से मिलता है lysosome बनाने का? endoplasmic reticulum देता है। I hope you are understanding. Moving forward, next is, guys, mitochondria. ठीक है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज होती है क्यों? क्योंकि ये हमें एनर्जी देती है। इट इज कॉल्ड एज द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल, गाइस। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज कॉल्ड एज द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल। व्हाई? बिकॉज इट प्रोड्यूसेस एटीपी। मतलब सर बेटा इट प्रोड्यूसेस एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी। एटीपी क्या है सर? इसको बेटा कहते हैं एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द सेल, और अगर आपको इसका फुल फॉर्म जानना है, इट इज एडेनोसिन triphosphate. What is ATP, guys? Adenosine triphosphate. What does it do? It produces, it is the energy currency of the cell. Who produces it? Mitochondria. Okay, sir. Now, guys, there are certain things which you should remember about mitochondria. Oopsie. Yes, mitochondria is double membranous. What does it have? It has double membranous. It has two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. ठीक है, Inner membrane is folded like that, है ना? Now outer and inner, inside is filled with a fluid called as matrix. Hmm. And guys, mitochondria is a cell organelle which has ribosomes of its own. इसके पास खुद का राइबोसोम होता है, एंड इट आल्सो हैज डीएनए मटेरियल ऑफ इट्स ओन. मतलब सेल ऑर्गेनल के अंदर राइबोसोम भी है और डीएनए भी है, राइट? वेरी गुड, ठीक है, वेरी गुड. राइबोसोम भी है और डीएनए भी है इन द mitochondria. And guys, for making any protein, what you need is you need DNA and ribosome. That is why we say mitochondria is semi autonomous cell organelle. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया सेमी ऑटोनोमस, मतलब ये आधे काम खुद ही कर लेता है विदाउट एनी इंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस. गाइस टेल मी, we say nucleus is the headquarters of the cell, right? Because it directs all the cell organs कि क्या करना है. But how does this nucleus decide? With the help of DNA. DNA बताता है कि हाँ भैया ये करो. अब हमारा माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, it has DNA of its own और राइबोसोम भी है, तो it knows already कि भैया हाँ मेरे को पता है क्या करना है, न्यूक्लियस साहब आप मत बताओ. I'm getting my point. That's why it's called a semi-autonomous. But some things it can do on its own. For others, it depends on the nucleus. Sir. Very good. Right. Very good. Also, guys, it contains something called as oxysomes. ठीक है, inner membrane पे कुछ substance होते हैं called as oxysomes, which actually produces the ATP enzyme, मतलब ATP, and which helps in production of the ATP. Very good. What do we know about mitochondria? It is double membranous cell organelles. ठीक है, it contains ribosome and DNA of its own. It is semi-autonomous, है ना? It contains oxysomes which help in ATP synthesis. That's it, guys. ठीक है, इतना ही पता होना चाहिए हमें. आगे चलते हैं. Oh my God, क्विक चेक कर लेंगे अब हम. Let us do a quick check, guys, कि अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है. Suicide bags of the cells are rough endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum और Golgi. Come on, guys. Exactly. Answer is lysosomes. Remember that. क्यों? They can digest the entire cell by bursting inside the cell. They can kill the cell in which they are already present. मतलब खुद को ही मार लेते हैं. Right. Moving forward. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in a protein synthesis, lipid synthesis, waste removal और packaging. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum किस चीज में हेल्प करता है? मैंने बताया था लिपिड सिंथेसिस में. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में. क्यों? क्योंकि रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में राइबोसोम्स होते हैं. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हैज राइबोसोम्स. Moving forward, what is the power out of the cell? Oh my God, very easy. Mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi और lysosome. Come on, guys. Exactly, answer is mitochondria. Very good. Now, guys, we will study about a cell organelle which is exclusively present in the plant cell. Which is present in the plant cell. Okay. So what is this? Beta chloroplast. We're going to talk about chloroplast. Okay. Very good. So what is this? Beta, it's a plant cell organelle where photosynthesis takes place. What happens here? Photosynthesis happens. What is photosynthesis? Process of making glucose. What is photosynthesis? Process of making glucose happens where? In the chloroplast. Can I do photosynthesis? No. Why? Because I don't have chloroplast with me. Are you able to understand? So those organisms that basically plants have chloroplast, that is why they can do photosynthesis. Right? Let us study about it, guys. So beta chloroplast comes under the broad category of cell organelles called as plastids. Plastids are the cell organelle present only in plants. Okay, and they are of three types. Okay, so what are the three types? They are chromoplast, chloroplast, and leucoplast. अच्छा, so we know about chloroplast. अभी आपने बताया it is green colored. It is green colored and it helps in photosynthesis. What is chromoplast, sir? The chromoplast means colorful parts of the plant. Oopsie. For example, red, yellow. All these are what? Colorful parts of the plant. Purple, you would have seen flowers, right? They have many colors of flowers. So why does this color because present over there? They are present because of this chromoplast, guys. If you see it's any colored part other than green in a plant, that means it contains chloroplast. Okay, sir. What are the third thing, sir? What is this leucoplast? But a leucoplast is colorless. As you can see, it is colorless and it is used for storage. It is used for storage. It can store, starch, oil, protein, granules or anything, starch mainly. ठीक है, are you getting my point? So what are the plastids guys? These are the cell organelles present exclusively in the plants, है ना? Very good sir. ये तरफ three types मैंने बताया. Chloroplast, which is green color, which helps in photosynthesis. Then there's a chromoplast, which is colored, right? Which gives the color to the plant. And leucoplast, sir, what does it do? It helps in storage of starch mainly, right? Very good, sir. So then we'll study about the structure of the plastid. Okay, sir, how do you do? Again guys, this plastid also is double membranous. What is it? It is double membranous, and it contains small coin like structures, guys. It contains small coin like structures, right, called as thylakoid. What is it? The small coin like structure is thylakoid. This entire stack of coin is called as grana. One coin is thylakoid, entire stack of coin is called as grana. Are you getting my point, guys? Yes. So what do we do? Plastids consist of double membrane, two membrane. They have coin like structures inside them called as thylakoid. If you can see, guys, this coin like structures like this is a thylakoid. The entire stack of coin is grana, and two grana are connected to each other by stroma lamella. What is happening? The two stack of coins are connected to each other with the help of membranes called as stroma lamella. Okay, sir. And most importantly, the entire plastid is filled with a fluid called as stroma. अंदर क्या होता है? इसमें है हमारे पास stroma. Yes, guys, did you understand this? Yes, come on. Come on, guys, come on, let me know. Amazing, right? So we have what is plastids. These are plant, these are cell organelles present exclusively in plants. These are the three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chromoplast provides color, chloroplast provides helps in photosynthesis, leucoplast helps in storage, right? And we did the structure of chloroplast. What does chloroplast have, guys? They have coin like structures called as thylakoid. Stack of coin is called as grana. Grana is connected to each other by stroma lamella, and the entire thing is filled with stroma fluid. Very good. And also, guys, like mitochondria, plastids also have DNA and ribosomes of its own, and again they also will be semi autonomous. Matlab they don't have to depend on all the instructions from the nucleus. They can do certain things on their own. So here, guys, tell me, what are the two cell organelles which are semi autonomous? Mitochondria and plastids. So why? Because they have DNA and ribosomes of this own. Okay. Talking about, guys, vacuoles. What are vacuoles? We say they are storehouse of the cell. What are vacuoles, guys? These are the storehouse of the cells. Very good. Now, guys, if you see animal cell, there are many small vacuoles present. Used for storage, can contain nutrient, water or waste. Whereas if you see plant cell, it contains one large vacuole. What does it do? It contains one large vacuole. It is used to store water or push against the cell wall. It keeps the plant rigid. It keeps the plant rigid. मतलब ऐसे इसको push करके रखता है ना? And the cell wall is rigid. I don't understand what is the difference, guys? Animal cell में there are small vacuoles present. Because of plant cell, what is happening? A big central vacuole is present, right? Which keeps the plant rigid, right? And it stores water. As you know, both cases में it is storehouse of the cell, right? Moving forward, this is the most important part. You should be very aware of this. ठीक है? Difference between plant cell and animal cell. ठीक है? Very important. This will come in your exams. ठीक है? Either in midterm, post midterm, or whatever. One exam it will definitely come. When you see plants and animal cell, guys, the most important thing: plant cell consists of cell wall. Animal cell में cell wall नहीं होता. There's a large vacuole over here. There's no large vacuole over here. There's a chloroplast present. There's no chloroplast present in the animal. This is the most important thing. बाकी सब common रहता है. Mitochondria, Golgi, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosomes. These are common to both the plant and animal cell. So, guys, very important. What does the plant cell have, which animal cell does not have? Cell wall. है ना, they have large vacuole and they have chloroplast which is not present in the animal cell. Amazing guys. Moving forward, जैसे कि आपको पता है वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म पे डेली क्विज चलता है where you can win prizes up to 50,000 and get a Paytm cashback. तो guys do engage in that, do win prizes. like मेरे तो चाहता है कि आप लोग बहुत सारे prizes जीतो, ठीक है, and make use of it guys. Moving forward, let's do a quick check. मतलब questions करते हैं थोड़े से. Which of the following is found only in the plant cell guys? Which of the following is found only in the plant cell? Mitochondria, lysosome, plastids or vacuole? Come on guys. Exactly. Plastid, vacuole तो एनिमल सेल में भी होता है बट छोटे छोटे होते हैं, प्लांट सेल में बड़े से होते हैं. Vacuole in plant cell helps in what guys? Photosynthesis, turgidity, energy production or all of these. Come on. Vacuole क्या करता है? Exactly, it provides it with turgidity. So what is turgidity? But turgidity मतलब देखो ये जो सेल है ना, अगर इसमें water is filled, it will push it against the cell wall. तो वैसे मतलब कैसा मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. देखो बेटा, if a plant is very erect, ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है, उसके leaves सब ऐसे properly है, then I will say the cell is turgid. Cells are turgid inside the plant. मतलब ये plant है, if leaves are like this, I will say the plant is turgid. But imagine if leaves are like this, I said wilting. If the leaves are wilting like this, what does that mean guys? The leaves are not turgid, they are flaccid. समझ आया? Turgid मतलब ये ऐसे होते हैं. तो when vacuole helps the plant to be like this, when vacuole is storing lots of water, the plants are like this. जब उनमें पानी की कमी हो जाती है, when they have less water, they are like this. They lose their turgidity. समझ रहे? Strong रहना है वो. ठीक है? I hope I am communicating थोड़ा सा. Cell membrane is found in plant cell only, animal cells only, amoeba, all of these. Come on guys, cell membrane किस में पाया जाता है? Obviously guys, सब में ही होता है. Plant cell में भी होता है, animal cell में भी होता है. But plant cell में outermost layer क्या होता है? Cell wall. Animal cell में outermost layer is cell membrane. Amazing guys, great job. You did a wonderful job. What did we do guys? We studied about endoplasmic reticulum. हमने देखा है दो तरह के होते हैं, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in production of lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in production of proteins. Golgi house, Golgi apparatus, storage, packaging and modification house. Lysosome, suicide bags. Mitochondria, powerhouse. Plastids, kitchen of the cell because they produce, they are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast produces photosynthesis, helps in photosynthesis. Chromoplast provides color. Leucoplast helps in storing food. Vacuoles, storehouse of the cell, and we saw the difference between the plant cell and animal cell. हमने देखा plant cell में cell wall होता है ना, large central vacuole होता है, animal cell में छोटे छोटे vacuoles होते हैं, और सर plastids होता है, and plant cell में animal cell में नहीं होता. Amazing. तो गाइस हमारा VSAT का टेस्ट है जो हर संडे को होता है, ठीक है. इसमें क्या होता है गाइस, आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिल सकती है वर्थ 10 crore रुपीस. जनरली हमारे देखो प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्लासेस आर फ्री, है ना, बट सम क्लासेस वेयर यू हैव टू पे to get special attention. For example, अभी right now you cannot ask me doubts, है ना, आप मेरे से doubts नहीं पूछते, but in those classes, paid class में क्या होता है, मैं आपको personalized attention दूँ. I will take your doubts, I will explain you, है ना. There'll be test series going on. There'll be more, academic mentor associated with you who will help you to, excel in your, classes. It's a free registration guys. Online test आपको कोई जाना नहीं है और definitely आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी. क्या पता guys, you might study it for free. You might get 100% स्कॉलरशिप, फ्री में पढ़ सकते हो, ठीक है, या 90% स्कॉलरशिप. आपको बहुत मिनिमम प्राइस देना पड़ेगा. Are you getting my point? तो guys do take up the test. उसमें कुछ जाने का फ्री है, आप just दे के देखो, फिर then you can decide. Okay. Moving forward guys, today's homework. There's a homework. Oh sorry. There's one more homework today. What's the role of vacuole in amoeba? ठीक है, what is the role of vacuole in amoeba? Do let me know in the comments. और guys आपको क्या करना है, there's a homework, one more homework. इसमें क्या करना है आपको, draw mind map of all the cell organs which I have taught you. मतलब endoplasmic reticulum ऐसे बनाया, उसके नीचे लिखो क्या है, क्या किस टाइप का है. Then Golgi, what do you remember about Golgi? Then plastid, what do you remember about plastid? Lysosome, mitochondria. Likewise guys आपको माइंड मैप बनाने अपने एक एक मतलब छोटा छोटा एक एक पैराग्राफ का, on your notebooks, right? Keep it with you guys, trust me, these are gonna help you when your exams are gonna come. Okay, moving forward guys, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, ठीक है, रेड कलर का बटन होगा उसको जरूर दबाओ, ठीक है, लाइक द वीडियो गाइस, है ना, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, है ना, लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इज बीन पुट, है ना, टू मेक द कंटेंट एंड डिलीवर एंड वो लोगों को मेहनत लगती है, तो शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, है ना सर, उनको भी बनाओ, ठीक है, दे आर एबल टू मेक मैक्सिमम यूज ऑफ इट, है ना, एंड इवन वी फील गुड कि वी हैव रीच्ड मैक्सिमम ऑडियंस. You can write to me guys also at amrit.raj@vedantu.com. ठीक है, you can write to me over there, I will be happy to help you, right guys? So that's it from my side guys. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay inside your homes. Lockdowns खुल रहे हैं, but guys trust me, it is not safe to go out. So protect yourself. I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye, have a good day.